Hello, beautiful people. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting: how to elevate your everyday jeans into outfits that exude class and sophistication. We all have that favorite pair of jeans, but did you know they can be the centerpiece of a truly elegant look? Whether you're dressing for a laid-back brunch or a more polished occasion, I'll be sharing some of my best tips and secrets to help you transform your denim into a statement of style. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see jeans in a whole new light. Let's jump right in. Start with the right jeans. The first and most crucial step in turning your casual jeans into a classy outfit is starting with the right pair. Not all jeans are created equal, and the fit, style, and quality of your denim will make all the difference. When selecting jeans, it's important to consider how they complement your body shape. For example, if you have an hourglass figure, a high-waisted jeans or straight-leg jean can beautifully accentuate your waist while elongating your legs. On the other hand, if you have a more athletic build, a mid-rise bootcut jean might provide a balanced silhouette by adding a slight flare at the bottom. Fit is everything when it comes to elegance. A well-fitted jean can enhance your natural shape, giving you a sleek and polished appearance. If you find the perfect style but the fit isn't quite right, don't hesitate to invest in some alterations. A simple adjustment at the waist or hem can transform an average pair of jeans into one that feels tailor-made for you. Quality is another key factor that shouldn't be overlooked. High-quality denim not only feels better against your skin, but also holds its shape throughout the day, ensuring that your look stays sharp from morning to night. Look for jeans with a bit of structure, denim that has enough weight to it so it doesn't stretch out or sag after a few hours of wear. This is especially important if you're planning to wear your jeans for an entire day or to an event where you want to maintain a polished appearance. The power of a structured blazer. One of the easiest ways to elevate a pair of jeans is by adding a structured blazer. Blazers have a magical ability to transform even the most casual outfits into something that looks effortlessly put together. Whether you opt for a classic black blazer, a chic pastel, or even a bold pattern, the structured silhouette of a blazer adds a touch of formality and class to your look. When choosing a blazer, fit is everything. A well-tailored blazer should accentuate your waist and create clean lines, making your outfit look polished and intentional. Pair it with a simple top underneath. Think a crisp white shirt, a silky blouse, or even a turtleneck in cooler weather. The contrast between the casual nature of the jeans and the structured blazer creates a balanced, elegant look that works for almost any occasion. Dark wash jeans. When it comes to creating a sophisticated and versatile wardrobe, dark wash jeans are an absolute must-have. These jeans are the unsung heroes of elegant style, offering a timeless, polished look that works for almost any occasion. Dark wash jeans, especially those in deep indigo or black, have a slimming effect and can easily be dressed up or down. The rich, dark hue adds an air of refinement that lighter washes often can't achieve, making them perfect for both daytime chic and evening sophistication. One of the greatest advantages of dark wash jeans is their versatility. If you're heading out for a casual day, dark wash jeans can be dressed down with a simple knit sweater or a classic white tee. Add some elegant accessories like a statement necklace or a chic handbag to maintain that elevated look. And don't forget about footwear. Pairing these jeans with loafers, ballet flats, or ankle boots can make all the difference in creating a cohesive and classy outfit. For evening occasions, dark wash jeans can be transformed into a sophisticated ensemble with just a few tweaks. Try pairing them with a silky blouse or a lace top, and finish the look with a pair of heels. The deep tone of the jeans adds a level of formality to your outfit, making it ideal for a night out or a dinner date. Choosing the right tops. Now, let's focus on tops. The top you choose to pair with your jeans plays a significant role in determining how polished and elegant your outfit looks. For a classy vibe, go for tops that have a refined silhouette and are made from high-quality materials. Silk blouses, for instance, are a timeless choice that can instantly elevate your jeans. They drape beautifully and add a luxurious touch to your outfit. Turtlenecks are another fantastic option, especially during the colder months. A fitted turtleneck in a solid color can create a sleek, streamlined look that pairs perfectly with jeans. And of course, you can never go wrong with a crisp white shirt. Whether you choose a classic button-down or a more modern wrap style, a white shirt brings a sense of freshness and elegance to your denim outfit. The impact of outerwear. Outerwear is another critical element in creating a classy look with jeans. The right coat or jacket can dramatically change the tone of your outfit, making it look more refined and put together. Long coats, for instance, add an air of sophistication and can be worn over just about anything. Whether it's a classic wool coat, a chic trench, or even a tailored overcoat, these pieces add structure and elegance to your outfit. A trench coat is another versatile piece that pairs beautifully with jeans. Its timeless design and flattering silhouette make it a perfect choice for creating a polished look. And don't forget about structured jackets. A well-fitted jacket, whether it's a blazer or a tailored coat, adds a layer of formality to your jeans, making them suitable for more dressy occasions. Next up, let's talk about footwear. The shoes you choose can make or break your outfit, especially when you're trying to make jeans look elegant. If you're aiming for a classy vibe, opt for shoes that have a polished, refined look. Pointed-toe heels are a fantastic choice. They elongate your legs and add an instant touch of sophistication. Whether you go for classic pumps, strappy sandals, or kitten heels, the key is to choose a style that complements your jeans and elevates your overall look. Ankle boots are another great option, especially in cooler weather. Choose boots with a sleek design and a slight heel to add a bit of height and elegance. And for those who prefer flats, don't worry. You can still achieve a classy look. Opt for pointed-toe flats or loafers in luxe materials like leather or suede. These add a chic, polished feel to your outfit while keeping things comfortable. Accessories are the secret weapons that can elevate any jeans outfit. A well-chosen belt can define your waist and instantly add a touch of sophistication. Opt for a sleek leather belt with a subtle buckle to keep the look polished. A structured handbag or a chic clutch can add an air of sophistication to your jeans outfit. Opt for classic designs in neutral colors or rich tones like burgundy or navy. The right bag not only serves a practical purpose but also ties your whole look together, making your jeans outfit appear thoughtful and refined. And there you have it, my top secrets for taking your jeans from casual to classy. Remember, elegance isn't about wearing the most expensive clothes. It's about how you put together your outfit, paying attention to the details, and choosing pieces that make you feel confident and polished. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're inspired to elevate your denim looks. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more style tips and inspiration. Let me know in the comments below how you like to style your jeans for a classy look. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and see you in the next video.